This is an injection machine that uses the V-line method and uses a reciprocating shut-off flow mechanism. Machine manufacturing has reached the prototyping stage, especially in the control and electrical systems. In this project we use PLC and HMI as controllers. Operation and setting of injection machine parameters can be done with HMI. This prototype was made to be able to show the movement of each actuator of a production injection machine. The charging process uses a screw mechanism that is rotated using a stepper motor. In this charging process there is a shut-off flow process to close the barrel so that there is no backflow. In the injection process, the fluid will be pushed into the mold using a hydraulic power pack, but in this prototype we replaced the hydraulic power pack with a central lock motor. After being injected with the appropriate pressure, the fluid will fill the mold and produce the finished product. This pressure greatly affects the final product.